Hey, welcome to Mom Life at its Finest. I'm Amber, and today I want to take you behind the scenes and show you how I make this amazing meat stock and what our family calls caveman ribs. It's a delicious dinner, and it is so good, so healthy, so cheap, and so easy to make. It is something that I learned about a couple of years ago when I was doing research on ways that I could feed my family better and just really try and work with some of the digestive and allergy issues that our family was facing at the time. And so if you're interested in all of that, I will link some resources down below on all of the gut healing properties of this meat stock. But all that aside, this is seriously so delicious. And as you will see, my kids just lap it up. So I can't wait to share it with you. If you like this video today, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe for 2 new videos a week on mom hacks, mom advice, cleaning motivation, healthy living recipes, and so much more. And now let's get going. The first thing I do is take a big stainless steel stock pot and then add 2 packages of beef back ribs. You can use any kind of bone-in meat, and it doesn't have to be beef. It could be chicken or pork or whatever your preference is, but I love these beef back ribs because we can then use them for the caveman ribs I'll show you in a moment. You want to spread all the ribs out so that they are all touching the bottom of the pan and nothing is piled up on top of one another. Then you want to get some water. We use this Berkey water filter to purify our water, and it's just amazing how it takes out so many chemicals that are normally found in drinking water. So you want to make sure that you put in maybe 1/2 inch of water above where the meat is. I've definitely made the mistake of putting in too much water, and that dilutes the meat stock too much. Some of the water will boil out, but you really do just want to have a little bit of water, enough to cook it and then make it really thick and juicy. Turn that to high to start coming to a boil and put a lid on. Then I peel and chop some garlic, along with fresh onions, carrots, and celery. Now, I've mentioned this in another video, but when the meat starts to come to a boil, it's really important to skim off the pinkish gray scum that has come to the top. This is actually all of the impurities and, things that your body can't digest that would be coming off of the meat and rising to the surface. So I just use a big spoon to start scooping it into a bowl and set that aside. Then using some tongs, I just make sure that none of the ribs are sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the water's come to a full boil and you're done skimming the scum, then you want to add the vegetables. At this point, I'll turn the heat down to low or medium low and recover it. Once it cools down, you can just throw all the scum away. Okay, so now I'm gonna let that just simmer for about 2 to 4 hours. I'll keep checking it periodically, but you don't add any spices or even salt and pepper until the very end. I'll show you that step when this is done. You want to check the meat stock every so often and just stir things around to make sure that everything gets cooked thoroughly and nothing sticks to the bottom. Then when it's all done, I dish some out in a bowl. It's at this stage that I add salt and pepper to taste, and I usually serve it with some bread and butter on the side. I can't even tell you how delicious this is, but my kids sure love it, and this is seriously one of our favorite meals. The meat stock is obviously a super hearty meal all on its own, but I also like to take the leftover ribs and put them on a wire rack over a cookie sheet to make what we call caveman ribs. I've already preheated the oven to broil, and I'm gonna stick these in for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. It's just amazing how they get so brown and golden and crispy and delicious on the outside while staying super tender on the inside. Time to take them out and turn them. Here's the finished product. I've sliced up some avocado, and this is a whole other meal all on its own. All right, so it's as easy as that. I hope that you loved this video. I really hope you try this recipe yourself, because I promise you, it tastes amazing and it is just so good for you. Please make sure to subscribe for new videos like this every week, as well as all kinds of other ideas and tricks and ways that we as moms can kind of, keep a handle on things and laugh at the journey along the way. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and until next time, have a great day.